Hi, I'm Charlie Chedester at Midwest Family Lending. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're viewing this because you have some interest in looking to buy a home or you have questions on refinancing. The big thing I want to convey is you have a lot of choices out there. You can have any monkey online do it. You can walk into any bank and most likely they can tackle it. But what I want to take and make sure you're going to do is find somewhere in the happy median. You want to have somebody who's going to be working on your best behalf. You want to have somebody who's going to have the options available and explain those options to you as to how they work and what fits your situation. So the easiest avenue in this business is usually not the best answer, because the easiest means we didn't really take the time to analyze your situation and get the best bang for your buck. There's a lot of good stuff out there. There's conventional loans, USDA loans, which is more for rural areas or small towns, VA loans if you're a veteran, and you've also got FHA. And FHA is assumed to be a first-time home buyer, but it's not. Anybody can use the FHA program. So there's a lot of good pieces, but each of those buckets have different loan styles, they have different loan terms, they have different underwriting requirements. What we want to do is find what's right for you. One of my favorite products as of recently is 5% conventional loan, so 5% down, or having 5% equity in the property. You can do more if you like, but you can still have no monthly mortgage insurance. So there's a nice way we can formulate that loan to make your payment anywhere between 10 and 20% less per month just because of how we set your loan up. So it's a great way to take and look at, but that requires a little bit higher credit score, at least a 680. If we can get it higher, then it's going to be more beneficial. But the key is all the fine details. So if you have questions, please feel free to shoot me an email, charles@chedester.com. You can give me a phone call, 515-221-0321. My extension is 104. Or you can visit my website at chedester.com. All those places are going to have resources where you can send me questions. You can send me some, hey, I've seen this, why should I use this, why should I not use this? But the key is I'm going to collect a lot of information from you before we take and give you very solid answers. Because if anybody's giving you answers right on the phone when you call them, most likely they're not doing you justice. Because it's very hard in our industry to take and answer questions specifically without knowing what your credit score is, what your income is, do you have any side jobs, so we'll look at your tax returns, and all those pieces put together. Plus we have to factor in your property and a lot of other things. So my job is to make this as easy on you as possible, but that doesn't mean it's going to be easy. We're going to do this the most efficient way possible and try to reduce as much stress as possible so I keep the gray hair and you don't. But I want to make sure we accomplish your goals first and foremost, because you're going to spend about the same amount of money no matter where you go. The question is, are we going to get the best bang for your buck? So that's what I'm here to do. I look forward to your questions. Feel free to reference anything online you can find. Just Google search Charles Chedester. You'll have a lot of different places you can find me and read some reviews and see what else is out there. Thank you. Look forward to talking to you soon.